Hey everyone, it's Bobbi,
And Cedric.
and this is Aging Grateful. You know, I've spent years building someone else's dream. And now I'm taking a deliberate break to see if I can build my own.
Take a break from
Work.
Oh, okay, because I was like, I thought she was putting me on blast for some announcement.
I'm stepping away from work. I'm stepping away from work to pursue what I would like to pursue and see if I can build something to sustain us in our retirement years. Stay tuned.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yes, and if you are new here, first of all, we want to say welcome. Welcome to Aging Grateful, where we talk about all things pre-retirement, lifestyle,
Travel.
and travel, and people our age, you know, just doing the doggone thing. So, welcome. And to those of you who are already our subscribers, hey. Okay, so in today's video, I want to explain what I meant earlier about what I'm about to embark on. So I'm trying to do a little experiment, if you will. I think I'm gonna call it the Income Lab. But what I am going to be doing is I'm taking, it's a 30-day break from my position. And trying to jumpstart and see if I can create another life for myself as far as from the financial perspective. I want to see if someone our age in our age group is able to actually start from scratch. And when I mean from scratch, because I don't want to hear in the comments that you married and all of that. I understand that, but I'm looking at our future, right? I'm looking at our future and growing our retirement dollars or dollars towards our future so that when we do retire that we definitely are on point as far as from the financial perspective, right?
Right.
So with that being said, if this resonates with you, follow along on my journey because I will be sharing it here. I'll be starting from scratch, learning, picking up some new skills and revisiting some old ones. As far as building a business, of course, social media is one of them. Getting into some AI, some editing of videos. I'm going to be writing again and looking at ways in which to market myself accordingly. I think at this stage of the game, we all have earned and acquired skills, right?
Yeah.
Skills that we have been utilizing for others, and that we could potentially take those skills and utilize them for ourselves. We always get this, and I'm speaking for in general, that we are too old to be hired again, rehirable if that's the case. And so some people may look at our age and say that what we can't do, and I just want to see what we can do, and that's what I want to focus on. So that's what I'm going to be doing during this 30 days that I've stepped away from work. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are your feelings on it?
I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. I'm excited too at the same time, which I'll share more about in a later video. But I'm definitely both.
Okay.
I'm definitely both nervous and excited. Because at this stage of the game, I think we can do it. I think we count ourselves short, and shout out to all those people who have made it, who have retired early, or have retired or on getting ready to do so. Kudos to you. But I really want to maybe speak to somebody who maybe isn't there yet or not sure if they could begin again at this age. And I want to see it for myself. I want to test this thing out.
Right. And I don't think you're saying that you expect to like build this business and start making money and doing all this stuff in 30
Oh
days?
no. This is
Okay.
just a platform to kind of test it. That's why I'm calling it the income lab, because I'm going to test my skills that I already have, my skill sets that I already have, and balance that out with things that I am learning. So you're going to be in the trenches with me. I understand that there's going to be some challenges. I understand some, maybe even some frustrations, but I also think some highlights, maybe hopefully I can encourage and inspire you guys as well as myself through this journey, right? So
Yeah.
that's why I'm doing this, because I really want to see if that is the case, right? And so
Yeah.
like you said, I'm not doing this and after 30 days I'm expected to be, a millionaire, though, don't discount me out yet. But anyway, but I just to jumpstart it and see if this is something viable, something that I can build upon, and maybe I don't have to go back to my 9 to 5, right? Maybe maybe I don't, after this 30 days I can say, I can really see myself saying, no, I don't have to keep a job.
What would make you say that? What would get you to that point where you're like, you know what, I'm gonna continue down this path versus going back to my 9 to 5?
If I could see, my way clear with smart goals, as they say, actionable goals, um, maybe have a couple of clients even under my belt in different areas, and that I am continuing to grow in this phase. I'm not looking to actually say, I'm able to make, $20,000 this month, though, again, don't count your girl out for what she can do. But seriously, just to see that the foundation is good and solid, that I know that I could see myself making long-term income from my pursuits. And also not to just focus on one specific area, because in this day and age, I really think that you should have multiple income streams. And so looking at what those multiple income streams could be potentially, and hone in on those, right? So that's also another thing that I'll be looking at.
Okay.
But now, with that being said, what's your role in all of this?
My role is support. You already know that's that's all we do as the husbands. We support our wives' dreams.
Really?
Yeah, that's what we do. So
He supported my dreams. So what you gonna be doing?
I'm gonna be working.
So you gonna keep your job?
Of course, I'm gonna keep my job. I am gonna start dabbling in things on the side, and I think when we talk about retirement, pre-retirement, we're not talking about, like in your case, doing something, making a bunch of cash so we can sit on the couch and watch TV. We're talking about setting up residual income for the future. So once we get to the point where we don't want to work a traditional 9 to 5 job, we don't have to worry about that. And I think retirement to us, and what we're saying to a lot of people, is basically having your time to do whatever you want to do.
Right.
It's not retirement in the traditional sense where you just, the old school way thought of retirement is you work until you're in the 60s. By the time your house is paid off, you don't have any bills, you're collecting your Social Security, and then that's
it.
That's it. And then the way that it is now, Social Security, you ain't gonna have much to do, nothing but sit around and watch TV on the couch anyway.
From a financial perspective.
From the financial perspective. So you're definitely gonna need some type of residual income, or something else going on with that. So
yes. So again, to recap, he keeping his 9 to 5 because he loves his job.
I love my job. I do love my job.
He loves his job, and I love your job too. Okay. uh, but also he's going to be looking at other options that he's doing as well, in addition to his job, that he'd like to pursue as well, as far as making some type of residual income also. So, I mean, this is our experiment. This is our journey. We don't have it all figured out, and we're telling somebody out there, whoever's listening, it's okay to not have this all planned out. But continuously to be in motion towards the goal is the thing. We are again planning for this is our pre-retirement phase, and we're just gonna take you along on the journey, right?
Yeah.
Take you along on the journey. So stay tuned for additional videos where we explain more of this in detail, and you catch up with what we both will be doing right in the interim. So if this resonates with you, please like,
Yeah. Subscribe.
share, comment, because we want to know: is there anybody else? Are we the only crazy ones in the bunch, or is there people out there? Are there people out there who are looking for truly planning for this pre-retirement phase, maybe looking at some other options, or even really thinking about a life change from the employment perspective, the career perspective, and maybe trying to redeem your time back and investing a little bit more in yourself? If that resonates, please let us know down in the comments what your thoughts are. Again, kudos to those who got it all together. Our pre-retirement family, or our retirement family who is doing the doggone thing, who retired early or who's retired on time. Kudos to you. We love you guys. We trying to get where y'all at is basically what we saying. But we're gonna enjoy this journey while we're doing that, and we're just gonna take you on this journey with us.
We'll see where it goes. Let us know. Like I said, let us know in the comments what you want to see, what you want. What I get asked a lot of the questions about VPN and a lot of different tech things. So if you want me to talk about that or think about doing a class on it, let me know.
Yeah.
And we'll see.
Yeah.
I can put something together.
Welcome to our experiment. Until next time, guys.
Deuces.